So up till now you have seen how to find the expectation and variance for a given probability distribution. In probability distribution, we are given the values of a random variable along with their probabilities, and we have to find the probability distribution. That means we have to check whether the values of the random variable along with corresponding probability satisfy the condition that sigma pi means sum of all the probabilities, सगळ्या probabilities बेरीज is 1. Okay. Also, we note one more important thing. So we have defined what is variance. So we define variance p of x as expectation of x square minus expectation of x bracket square, right? Now, already we know the relation between what is standard deviation. Okay. So standard deviation of x, it is sigma, that can be obtained from variance of x as it is root of or square root of variance of x. So this is how you can find the standard deviation for a probability distribution also. We have seen already how to find coefficient of variation and standard deviation for for frequency distributions. Okay. Now here, once you find variance, you can find the standard deviation of given probability distribution. Okay, let us do some more problems on this so that the concept will be more clear to you. Okay. See the example. Say example 1. A random variable x has following probability distribution. So x and p of x 0, probability 1 by 16, then value of x is 1, 2, 3 and 4. The probabilities are 4 by 16, then 6 by 16, 4 by 60 and 1 by 60. If you observe, the denominator is 16. If you add the numerator, सगळ्या अंशांचं बेरीज केलं या सगळ्या probabilityचं, definitely it will be 16. So 16 by 16 will be 1. So this is a probability distribution. Okay. Now this probability distribution, so what we have to do is find number 1, probability of x less than or equal to 2. Second, probability of 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. Then number 3, probability of x greater than 2. If you know probability of x less than or equal to 2, its complement is probability of x greater than 2. Then number 4, find expectation of x. Number 5, find the variance of x. And last but not the least, find the standard deviation. Okay, now we will go one by one. So see the solution first. Probability of x, this is number one. Probability of x less than or equal to 2. What are the values of x? X takes value 0, 1, 2. Okay. So probability that x is less than or equal to 2 means probability of x is equal to 0 plus probability of x equal to 1 plus here is equal to, so that's why p of x equal to 2. So this is equal to, what is probability of x is equal to 0? 1 by 60 plus probability of x equal to 1, it is given here 4 by 16 plus 6 by 16, and the answer is 11 by 16. Just you add the numerator, denominator is the same. So the answer is probability of x less than equal to 2 is 11 by 16. Now see, I will immediately, what is the complement of x less than or equal to 2? 2 इतका किंवा त्यापेक्षा लहान x असणं त्याचा कॉम्प्लिमेंट काय? x greater than 2. Okay, so that will be, because sum of the probability is 1. Now I will write directly the answer of number 3. Probability of x greater than 2. Either you may write this as, see, you can solve this two different ways. Okay, so either you can do this as 1 minus p of x less than or equal to 2, that is 1 minus 11 by 16. So 16 minus 11 is 5 by 16. Or you may write this as p of x greater than 2 is equal to, x greater than 2 means x चे values कुठचे कुठचे 3 and 4. So p of 3 plus p of 4. And what are these? Which values काय? What is p of 3? 4 by 16 plus p of 4 1 by 16. Denominator सारखंच आहे, numerator चं बेरीज करा. So again 5 by 6. Both way answer is the same. Okay. Now see the next one. Number 2. P of 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4 means, right now p of 2 म्हणजे x चं व्हॅल्यू काय 2 इतकं किंवा त्यापेक्षा मोठं आणि 4 पेक्षा लहान. आता इथे पहा, इथे दिलेल्या डेटामध्ये, सो दॅट इज p of 2 plus p of 3 plus p of 4, and what is the answer? P of 2 6 by 16, right, plus p of 3 4 by 16 plus 1 by 60, and what is the answer? 11 by 60. Just add the numerator, denominator सारखाच आहे. Okay, now go to the next answer, number 4. Expectation of x. What is the formula? Sigma pi xi. किती व्हॅल्यूज आहेत x चे? 1 2 3 4 5. I is equal to 1 to 5. So this is equal to, now see, p1 into x1. What is p1? 1 by 60 into 0. Probability into value. Probability into value. Probability 1 by 16. Value of x is 0. Plus 4 by 16 into 1. Plus 6 by 16 into 2. Plus 4 by 16 into 3. Plus 1 by 16 into 4. Now what is the answer here? Yes. So this is equal to, this equals, so see, just take 1 by 16 common here. So 1 by 16 into bracket 0, here it's 4 plus 6 plus 4 into 3, that is 12, plus 1. So what you get is, I made a mistake here also. So that is 6 into 2. So I will do the correction. So see here. So this is 1 by 16 is common. So this is plus 12 plus 12 and plus 4. Right? So this is 32. So therefore expectation of x is 32. Now see the next answer. Variance of x is equal to, what is the formula? Expectation of x square minus expectation of x bracket square. Now this is equal to, we know what is expectation of x. Now expectation of x square. So this, the formula is sigma pi xi square. I is equal to 1 to n minus, you know the answer, 32. Sorry, answer here is 32 by 16. It is 2. So this is 2 square. Okay. So this is equal to, now pi, probability 1 by 16 into first value of x is 0. 0 square is 0 plus, then next probability is p2 is 4 by 16. Next value is, next value of x is 1. So 4 by 16 into 1 square. 1 square is 1. Okay. So 1 square is 1. Okay. Plus 6 by 16 into 2 square, that is 4, plus 4 by 16 into 3 square, that is 9, plus 1 by 16 into 4 square, that is 16. Now, and this minus 4, right? So do the calculation. So this is equal to, again I will take 1 by 16 common, so that denominator will go out. छेद आहे तो बाहेर कॉमनच घ्यायचं 1 by 6. आता काय शिल्लक राहतं पाहता, 4. 4 into 1 is 4 plus 6 into 4, 24 plus 9 into 4, 36 plus 16, right, minus 4. So if you simplify this, so yes, this is 42, 20. 42 plus 36, that is 80 by 16 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Therefore, variance of x is 1. This is the answer. Now the last answer. Standard deviation SD of x is equal to sigma. Therefore, sigma is equal to under root of variance of x. So root of 1 is 1. Therefore, SD is 1. So simple answer. Okay. So this is how you can do the problems on finding the probabilities of different values of x, then expectation of x, variance of x, and you can find the standard deviation of x also. So I will give you some problems for practice on your WhatsApp group. Now see some more problems on this. See the problem on expectation and variance. A theoretical problem. Okay. In a business venture, in a business venture, a person I will write Mr. Amit can make a profit, can make a profit of rupees 3,000 with probability 0.6, or take a loss होतो loss of rupees 1,000 with probability 0.4. Determine his expected gain. तर त्याला ऑन एन एव्हरेज काय फायदा होईल की तोटा होईल. Okay. So see what is given here is, suppose x is the profit. Okay. Then what are the values of x? Then x1 is 3,000, and what is p of x1? p of x1 that is p1 इतका नफा होण्याचं प्रोबॅबिलिटी काय 0.6. x2 is equal to काय नफा होतो त्याला? It is the loss of rupees 1000 means loss of rupees 1000 म्हणजे किती फायदा झाला? What is the profit? Because x is profit. What is the profit then? Yes, profit is minus 1000, right? So try to understand this. Okay, so 1000 loss means it is minus 1000 profit. And what is the probability that he can make that much loss or minus profit is 0.4. Now see, sum of these two probabilities, या दोघांचे बेरीज एक येतं की नाही? So this is a probability distribution. Okay, therefore here P1 plus P2 is equal to 0.6 plus 0.4 is equal to 1. Hence, X has a probability distribution. Okay, therefore E of X is equal to sigma pi xi. I is equal to 1 to 2. दोनच काढले होते x च्या. So P1 into x1. So P1 into x1 plus P2 into x2. So what is P1? 0.6 into x1 3000 minus, now see, because this x2 is minus, P2 is 0.4 into minus, so this plus into minus will be minus, so that is 0.4 into 1000. What will be the answer? Yes, this answer will be this is 1800 minus this is 400, so in all it will have, the answer will be 1400. Therefore the expected gain is rupees 1400. So this is how you can find the expected gain or expected loss whenever the problem deals with. Okay, now see one more example. This will give you a practice. The probability of a person, the probability of a person earning a profit of rupees 80,000 in a certain business, is 3/7, and the probability of suffering a loss, of rupees 35,000 is 5/8. त्याला बिझनेस मध्ये 80,000 इतका नफा होण्याची शक्यता किती आहे? 3/7. आणि लॉस कितीचा? 35,000 चा लॉस होण्याचा प्रोबॅबिलिटी किती आहे? 5/8. Find expected gain of the businessman. Find expected gain of the businessman. तर त्याला फायदा किती होईल किंवा तोटा किती होईल ते फाइंड आउट करा. Okay, so see the answer. Let x is equal to profit. Okay, then what is x1? What is the first profit? 80,000. आणि तो होण्याचं probability काय आहे? P of x1 म्हणजेच P1. Yes, it is 3/7. And x2 पुढचं काय आहे? Suffering a loss of 35,000. म्हणजे किती प्रॉफिट झालं? How much is the profit? It is loss, so it is negative profit. So minus 35,000. आणि तो होण्याचं probability, that is P2, is 5/8. Okay, so now you just actually instead of this 3/7, it should be 3/8. Okay, otherwise it will not be a probability distribution. Okay, so here P1 plus P2, 3/8 plus 5/8, so 8/8, that is 1. Probability चं बेरीज काय आलं? 1. That is sigma pi is equal to 1, so that x has a probability distribution. Okay, therefore the expectation of x, what is x? Profit's expectation is given by expectation of x is equal to sigma pi xi. I is equal to 1 to 2 here. So now P1 into x1. So what is P1? 3/8 into 80,000 plus P2 into x2. But x2 is negative, so that minus we will take outside. So 5/8 into, or you may write this as plus into minus 35,000. And you may do the simplification later on. So I will take 1/8 outside. So this is 2,40,000 minus this minus I will come out here, and this is 1,75,000, right? So this will be equal to, so therefore this is equal to, I will write here 1/8. So this 25 and 40. 65,000, and this is equal to 8125. So therefore the expected is 1 2 and 5. Oh, right. So therefore, expected gain of the businessman is rupees 8125. So this is how you can solve the problems of this type. Okay. So I will give you problems of this type on your WhatsApp group. Okay. So this is all about the probability distribution and probability theory. So I will give you problems on probability and probability distribution on your WhatsApp group. Okay.